my life, that sweet loving, through the storm and through the rain.